Today we're trying the new Dubai chocolate cake from Walmart. Is she gonna be worth it? Come on, let's find out. We are like on a hunt for the cake. I don't know why I'm so excited right now. I literally have never tried Dubai chocolate, but I am so excited. Oh, please have it, please have it. They have it. They literally have it. Scored. I really want to see if they have the Dubai chocolate bars because I never even tried those. Yay. Oh, yes. Bag secured. What is more perfect to go with Dubai chocolate? Dubai chocolate freaking coffee.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How may I help you? Sounds good. $6.99. Thank you.
Thank you. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I also got the Dubai chocolate mocha. I've had this before, so, and chocolate, look at that. Like, looks like a regular chocolate bar. Cheers. That's so good. I'm so excited. It looks just like pure chocolate. Verdict time, 10 out of 10. So definitely worth it. Thank you for watching.